Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to compare Jobber and Markate. Both of these platforms are designed to help home service businesses manage their operations, streamline scheduling and dispatching, and improve customer interactions. In this video, I'll compare their UI, features, integrations, and much more. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which platform might be the right choice for your business. So, let's get started. Let's start with Jobber. Jobber is a super useful platform for home service businesses like landscaping, cleaning, HVAC, plumbing, and more. It's designed to help small and mid-sized companies with their daily tasks by putting everything into one place. What makes Jobber stand out is how simple it is to use. The dashboard is clean and easy to navigate, so both business owners and field workers can quickly manage appointments, check on job progress, and take payments. It's perfect for people who might not be super tech savvy but still need a powerful tool to keep everything organized. Plus, the mobile app gives real-time updates, keeping office staff and technicians on the same page. Now let's talk about Markate. Markate is another awesome platform for home service businesses like lawn care, pest control, tree services, and more. It's built to make things easier from start to finish. One of the best things about Markate is it's affordable. It's packed with useful features, especially for small businesses and startups. You can create estimates, schedule jobs, dispatch crews, process payments, and keep track of customer info all in one place. Plus, Markate works with popular payment processors and apps, so it's flexible and easy to fit into your workflow. While it might not have every fancy feature out there, it's simple, budget-friendly, and gets the job done. Now let's compare the UI of both platforms. Jobber has a clean and modern design that makes it easy to see everything about your business at a glance. The design is simple and easy to follow, with clear fonts, icons, and color-coded labels so you can quickly see the status of tasks. It's also super easy to navigate. You can switch between scheduling, invoicing, reporting, and other features without any confusion. This makes it great for training new staff or for people who aren't very tech savvy. Plus, the mobile app works just as smoothly as the desktop version, so field technicians can update job statuses, get signatures, and talk to the office in real time. On the other hand, Markate focuses on keeping things very simple and easy to use, which is perfect for small service businesses. Its dashboard highlights the key features like scheduling, invoicing, and customer management, but without feeling cluttered. The layout is straightforward and user-friendly, with clearly labeled sections so you can quickly find what you need. What's nice about Markate is that it's designed to get you started fast without needing much training. Unlike Jobber, which shows a lot of tools on one screen, Markate breaks things down into smaller step-by-step processes. Now let's take a closer look at the core features of both platforms. Jobber is designed to handle everything you need for field service management, making it a great tool for businesses that want to get organized. One of its best features is the job scheduling and dispatch system. You can assign jobs to your team based on who's available and where they are in real time. This means less wasted time and more efficient work from start to finish. Jobber also makes invoicing and payments super easy. You can create professional invoices and process payments quickly, which helps with cash flow and cuts down on paperwork. It even has tools to manage your customers, keeping track of their service history, interactions, and recurring appointments. This is really helpful for building strong relationships and keeping customers coming back. On top of that, Jobber gives you reports and analytics to see how your business is doing. You can track things like how many jobs your team finishes and how much revenue each technician brings in. This data makes it easier to make smarter business decisions. On the other hand, Markate is all about keeping things simple and efficient for small to medium-sized service businesses, especially in industries like lawn care and home maintenance. Its biggest strength is making scheduling and dispatching super easy. You can quickly book appointments, create estimates, and assign jobs without any hassle. Markate also has a built-in CRM to help you manage customer info, track service history, and send follow-up reminders automatically, so you never miss a chance for recurring work. When it comes to invoicing and payments, it's straightforward too. You can create estimates, turn them into invoices, and process payments right on the platform. Now, the reporting tools are pretty basic compared to Jobber, but they still get the job done. You'll get insights into job performance, revenue, and how your team is doing. Plus, Markate integrates with popular payment processors and other tools, making it easier to keep your workflows connected. At the end of the day, Markate is more about simplicity and affordability. It's great for smaller businesses that don't need a ton of customization or advanced analytics. On the flip side, Jobber is packed with more features and is better if you're looking for a scalable solution with advanced scheduling, invoicing, and reporting. So, if you want something straightforward and budget-friendly, Markate is a solid choice. But if you need more features, Jobber might be the way to go. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We develop top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Next up, let's compare integrations, automations, and analytics of both platforms. Let's start with Jobber. It integrates seamlessly with tools like QuickBooks, payment gateways, and marketing platforms. This makes it easy to manage everything in one place and avoid wasting time on manual data entry. Jobber also has handy automation features. For example, it can update job statuses, send appointment reminders, and follow up with customers automatically. This saves a ton of time and keeps your team organized even when things get busy. On top of that, Jobber offers detailed reports and dashboards that help you track revenue, team productivity, and job performance. These insights can help you figure out what's working well and what needs fixing. If you like making decisions based on data, Jobber is a solid option. Now let's talk about Markate. Markate offers basic integrations with payment systems and scheduling tools, so you can handle your main tasks without getting overwhelmed. Its automation features are straightforward too. You can automatically send estimates, invoices, and follow-up messages or set up recurring appointments. While it's not as advanced as Jobber, it gets the job done without overcomplicating things. For analytics, Markate provides simple reports to track job performance and revenue trends. It's not as detailed as Jobber, but for smaller businesses, it's often just what you need. So, which platform is right for you? Well, it really depends on your business size, how complex your operations are, and what you need in field service management. If you're running a small to mid-sized service business and need a platform with a lot of features like advanced scheduling, invoicing, reporting, and automation, Jobber is probably your best choice. It also integrates well with other tools and uses data to help you improve and grow your business over time. But if you're a smaller business or a startup in the home service industry and you care more about simplicity, ease of use, and affordability, Markate might be the better option. It's straightforward and great for scheduling, managing customers, and handling payments without a big learning curve. So it all comes down to what you need. Jobber is a super useful platform for home service businesses like landscaping, cleaning, HVAC, plumbing, and more. It's designed to help small and mid-sized companies with their daily tasks by putting everything into one place. What makes Jobber stand out is how simple it is to use. The dashboard is clean and easy to navigate, so both business owners and field workers can quickly manage appointments, check on job progress, and take payments. It's perfect for people who might not be super tech savvy but still need a powerful tool to keep everything organized. Plus, the mobile app gives real-time updates, keeping office staff and technicians on the same page. Now let's talk about Markate. Markate is another awesome platform for home service businesses like lawn care, pest control, tree services, and more. It's built to make things easier from start to finish. One of the best things about Markate is it's affordable. It's packed with useful features, especially for small businesses and startups. A feature-packed and scalable tool like Jobber, or an easy and budget-friendly option like Markate that covers the basics. And that's it for today's comparison. I hope this video has helped you understand the differences between Jobber and Markate and given you a clear picture of which platform might be the best fit for your field service business. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more in-depth SaaS reviews, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or experiences with these platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.